Well, hey everybody, I'm planning on building my very first computer. And I'm not a computer guy, but I've been watching a lot of YouTube videos lately, and it seems like a lot of fun. So make sure to subscribe and click that bell button to follow me for the next couple months to see if I can get this rig up and running off the ground. If you're like me, I don't have, hundreds and hundreds, if not $1,000 to plop down at once. So I'm buying this over time, usually a payday, depending on what that part is. So let me show you what I've been planning. Here's my spreadsheet. Here's my list of parts, and you can see everything that's been highlighted in green I've already purchased. So let me just go down the list really quick. The tower, I bought everything from Amazon so far. So I got the tower here, the NZXT H510, did a little research. Don't know much about towers other than I need some good airflow because I'm going to air cool this first build. Go back here. Over the holidays, I picked out my CPU, AMD Ryzen 7 2700X, because it was on sale for $159 plus tax. You can see right here, it's already gone up 20 bucks. I checked last week, it was like at $250. So I got a great deal on that, at least in my mind. Let's see. Last week I bought the mass storage, or I bought a mechanical drive, this Western Digital Blue, 2 terabytes. So I should have plenty of storage. I know it's going to be a little bit slower, that 5400 RPM, but I need a mass drive, so that's what I picked out. And yes, I did pay. It's actually cheaper now. Go figure. I think I paid $54.99 plus tax. Now it's at 50 plus tax, so oh well. And you can see with tax, I did pay the $59.25. And then just yesterday, because Amazon had a same day shipping special, I don't know if it's special, but they had same day shipping. I went ahead and purchased the Samsung 970 EVO. It's not the Plus. Let me delete that. Not delete it. The Samsung 970, and you can see I paid 88 bucks plus tax, or if you look at that, almost $95. You can see my build right here is probably going to be around about $1,000. So next payday in a couple of weeks, I plan on getting the power supply unit. Right now you can see I have the 650 watt down. I think I might spend some extra money and get like a Platinum 750 fully modular power supply, 110, maybe $120. I still don't know. So at least I have a couple weeks to do that. Going to pick up some new RAM. I still can't decide if I want a 2x8 gigabyte kit or a 2x16 gigabyte kit. So I know if I go for the latter, it's going to be like 150 bucks instead of like 60 to $80. And I'm also going back and forth on my GPU. I don't know. I just seen that price point, $300, $400. I just shake my head and wish everything could be a little bit cheaper. But after some research, I've been sticking with this the GTX 1660 Super or 1660 Ti. I'm not sure yet, so I'll have plenty of time to decide. And watching you guys on YouTube, I've been told to buy the motherboard last, whatever motherboard I pick out, so that if for some reason the motherboard doesn't work, I can still be under, Amazon's return policy to get another one, a replacement, or just buy another one outright. So that's where I am. I purchased 4 parts so far. I'm thinking about an all-in-one cooler. I don't know yet. Maybe some RGB fans. So we'll see how it goes. In case you're wondering, my current rig is I bought a pre-built last October. It's Ryzen 5 2600, and it's paired with the RX 580. It does everything I need to do as far as my video editing and some light gaming. But again, I can't wait to get all these parts together and pump it up a little bit, so to speak, and maybe get do some more gaming. So again, like I said at the beginning of the video, if you want to follow along, make sure to subscribe and click that bell button. And I'll see you next time.